See, mental strength, this takes time to develop. See, mental strength, it can make you appear more dominant in situations. It can fill you with confidence. It can help you win in competition if your mind is right. See, mental strength, it is the source of real strength. And the beauty of it is, just like any other muscle, you can build up that strength. You can get stronger and you can work on it daily. And today, we're gonna do just that. Today, I'm gonna show you the 7 tricks you want to put into practice to increase your mental strength. Hop into it. Number 1, choose productive behaviors. Yes, it is tempting to make excuses, avoid difficult situations, or complain, but at the end of the day, none of that's actually productive. It just doesn't produce results. Whereas mentally strong people, they focus on productive behavior that gets things done. Number 2, face your fears daily. See, everybody has fears. Even the bravest guy has fears. The difference is that brave guy, that mentally strong guy, he faces his fear even though he's scared, which is what makes him brave. In other words, what I'm telling you is that every day, face your fear. You see that pretty girl, you're scared, go and talk to her. You want that job? Quit the one that you have and go to the one that you want. You want to start that side hustle? Start it today and invest your own money into it. Whatever that fear is in the back of your head, go in head on knowing that everybody else is probably scared too, but you're mentally strong. Number 3, I literally want you to stomp on ants. No, like literally. Ants. See, ants are negative thoughts and they bombard us every single day. They even bombard me. It's just natural. What is not natural is letting those negative thoughts build up in your head because it ends up affecting how you carry yourself, the confidence level that you have, and can even lead you to depressive thoughts because the more you let those negative thoughts pile on, the more they grow. So anytime throughout the day you think something negative about yourself, it could be anything. I'm ugly, I'm not good enough, I'm dumb, whatever it is, as soon as you think it, stomp it and replace it with something positive. Replace it with that one time you got a compliment. Replace it with that one time you won in whatever game or you aced that test that you were working on. Replace it with something good that's gonna fill you up with confidence. And look, sometimes it can be serious enough that you might even need outside help. And that in and of itself takes bravery and strength, recognizing that you need a helping hand. Our sponsor, BetterHelp, does just that from the comfort of your home and matching you with a licensed professional therapist. See, you can start communing with that therapist within 48 hours. And no, this is not a crisis line or motivational help. Instead, it's actual professional counseling. They have a broad network of 15,000 counselors that might not be available locally. See, and the services, they're available worldwide, so you can log in anytime and send a message to your counselor. You're gonna get a quick message back that's thoughtfully written out, and on top of that, you can schedule weekly phone or video calls, so no more having to go into long waiting rooms. It is more affordable than traditional offline counseling, and financial aid is available. See, with our partner BetterHelp, they want you to start living a happier life today. Visit betterhelp.com/mensfashion, that's BetterHelp, and join over 1 million people taking charge and control of their mental health by using professional counseling. Again, if you guys want to check it out, the special offer is a 10% off. You just have to go to betterhelp.com/mensfashion. Number 4, make self-improvement a high priority. See, this is exactly the crux of this channel. Men continually trying to get better in every aspect of their life. You balancing that self-awareness of knowing that you're not perfect and that self-improvement of continually trying to get there will make you a mentally strong beast. You're just gonna be unstoppable. Number 5, make decisions more easily. See, mentally strong people, they're comfortable living it within their values and their own morals. And this makes you impenetrable. See, this makes it hard for other people to peer pressure you or to influence your decision making. This makes it a million times easier for you to make decisions because you know exactly what you want. Number 6, learn how to delay gratification. I want you to put to the side the porn, the alcohol, the drugs. I want you to put to the side the processed sugars, the carbs. See, to be mentally strong, you need to fight the bondage that quick gratification has on your mind. See, making these small incremental changes every single day will help you shift focus and understanding that you can take the pain right now. You can take the discomfort now because you are so rooted and understand that long-term vision and goal that you have for yourself. Number 7, focus on what you can control. Your life, your status, your bank account, your looks, your charisma, your status, your confidence. Those are things you can control. And as a person that's mentally strong, those are the areas you want to dump your energy into. How people treat you, how life isn't fair, the racism, etc. Stuff outside of your control. See, that is a waste of your energy. You dumping your energy into that isn't going to produce results for your own personal life, and instead, it's just going to get you stressed out. So forget everyone else and focus right here. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 tricks that you can do every single day to become mentally strong. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, boys, don't forget, if you need extra help, if you're feeling down, if you want to talk to somebody about anything, check out BetterHelp. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.